All right, here we go. Graphic content warning. A little too late, I guess. But was sitting there. Well, where the hell did it go? Oh, right there. Right there. That is. If you're wondering how tough this shield is, right here. That's a bullet. That's a shield shot. It didn't even penetrate the shoulder. That's why you always go for the headshots on hogs. I mean, just play it safe and go for the headshots. At least on the bigger ones. This is about a 150 pounder, maybe a 200. It's possible 200. I doubt it though. It's probably about 150. But you see all this right here. That's the shield right here. And that right there is like a huge shock absorber, and it stops these bullets. I mean, that's 100 yards, 300 blackout, and you just pegged all you did was just hit the muscle. That was it. This is on the 3 shots on this pig that I took. I popped him in the head, and it just the jump on it. I couldn't believe how high it jumped, but popped him in the head, and then while it was on the ground, I shot 2 more times, and this is one of the second or third shot right here. It just didn't penetrate. But there you go. If you're wondering, the explanation of a hog shield right there, as you see, all that inch thick. This is one of the smaller ones, one of the bigger ones. That's a 300 blackout soft tip. And it just barely made it into the shoulder right there. Right here, here's some more of the shield right here. That's all. That ain't just fat. That is like a thick, hard, not a blubbery fat like you got down here. This is some hard stuff. It'll dull your knife out real quick. But yeah, that's the shield that you're shooting through. So that's why you always just take the headshots, like right there. As you see, that was the first shot right there. Yeah, that was the first shot right there. It didn't drop it. Well, it did drop it, but yeah, it still took 2 more shots just to knock it out. But there you go, and one did not penetrate. So there.